Hey y'all, out walking with Colette, me and my baby.
Trying to fix my hat.
Trying to fix her hat at the same time.
This is what we're doing for the New Year. We're walking.
Exercise, that's what it's all about right now. Get that exercise, get it in, New Year. Start a New Year walking.
What's your New Year resolution, Terrence?
My New Year resolution is just walk, eat healthy, keep people out of my business, keep it moving.
And mine is to travel. No, we can go straight.
Okay.
You want to go that way?
I want to go that way and then we see straight. We'll be almost home when we get to the light.
You got to press the button? Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
Show where we're going to go. You know the camera because you might get hit. We're going across the street.
You got to turn the camera around.
Try to get across the road. There we go. Let's go, baby. Light green. Gotta hurry up. Car coming.
It's good exercise in the afternoon.
Yep. You see we walking?
We don't exercise.
We are walking in
the afternoon.
See, Colette?
Hey. You gotta turn the camera around, Terrence. Do you know, see that button at the bottom, that white button showing the camera, hit it.
This one?
Yeah. Why ain't you turn around? It should have turned around. Anyway. So yeah, y'all, we are walking. We gonna do this like 3 times a day. We're gonna be walking. Get some good exercise.
Yep. Get it in.
Yep.
My body right. Get my body right today. Gotta go get this 125 tomorrow.
So y'all enjoy y'all New Year and mind your own business. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Y'all can't say I said nothing. Bye. This is where we walk to, y'all. That's Terrence. Y'all have a good
The New Year's, you know, we out walking, getting it in, exercise, eat life, and go Gators.
Terrence is a real big Gator fan, and I am too.